Drivin Ivan here with a Nissan Staga 260 RS Autech. And Autech is a company that modifies Nissans, basically. This car is Japanese only. 276 horsepower, wink, wink, twitch, twitch, nudge, nudge. Inline 6-cylinder and twin turbo. What a cool wagon. I mean, you know, 5-speed manual. This one ticks all the boxes, is now eligible for import with the show or display exemption, where you can bring a car into the U.S. if it's 25 years or older. Thank Bill Gates for that. If you watch my Jaguar XJ220 video, you'll find out more about the show or display exemption. But this one is just, it's the belle of the ball. I mean, there's some cool cars here, I'm not going to lie, but this one's the mic drop today. I'm calling this the mic drop of all Cars and Coffee cars, and on this particular day. So cool. How long have you had it?
It finally made it to the stores in April.
In April. Wow. So cool. You know, sometimes you just want to have something that nobody else has at your car show, and this is going to do it. I don't think you're going to run into too many of these. Shall we go in and see the engine? Of course we shall. Nissan twin cam, 24 valve, twin turbo. I mean, oh my God, Autech version. So cool. James is the owner off there in the distance on the left, and he's a very proud owner, I will say. I'm going to open up the wrong side if I can. Let me see if it's open. Yeah, there you go. That way you can see. Look, there's no steering wheel. See you later, Larry. There's a Cyclone and a Typhoon. How often do you see those together? There's some of the organizers of this dad and the son. The dad organized this Cars and Coffee that we have here in Leesburg, Virginia. There's a electric MR2 that I've reviewed. Pretty cool car. MR2 with an electric engine. Have a full driving review of that one. Hopefully I'll have a driving review of this one someday. Wow. So incredibly cool. I love cars that you just can't get here in America. And look at all the room you get. Look at all that room you get back there. You can just stuff all your things and have a cookout, have a party, have a cooler with a whole bunch of stuff in there. Want to see the gauge cluster? Of course you do. Momo. Really cool. 5-speed stick. Wow. That is awesome. Yes, there's a back seat too. More stuff. That's what your wagons are for. Carrying a whole bunch of stuff. Let's see it from the business angle. There we go. Wow. That is so cool. Incredibly cool. There's the badge. There's the... Can we put the hood down? Let's see what it looks like with the hood down. Why not? That way you can see the entirety of the beautiful flowing lines here. There you go. I'll shoot it from the front 3/4. That's probably its best view. You can see all its wagon greatness. And there you have it. Just search any car and Drivin Ivan on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok, The Real Drivin Ivan. Instagram, DrivinIvanKatz, just like here on YouTube. Also, Ivan Katz Productions, Inc. video if you like music. And disc golf videos, free or mind music video, some of my car collection. Want to know what I drive? Just search what does Drivin Ivan drive. There you have it. This extremely rare Japanese Nissan station wagon. So cool that it can now come to the United States. There you have it. Thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.